I spent a lot of time teaching a lot of students as a coding bootcamp instructor. What I discovered was that no matter how many times I explained something, the students did not understand or remember it until we actually practiced it. Because of that, we're going to write some HTML and CSS together right now before learning the theory behind it. Please copy exactly what I do and type right now, and then we'll dive into the explanations. Navigate to replit.com. You should be on your home page. If you do not have a Replit account, please see the previous lesson. Find the Create Repl button on your home page. My home page is more zoomed in so that it's easy for you to see during the lesson. Your button might be smaller than that. Click on that. It will open a window to create a new Repl. Search for HTML. Near the top of the list, you should see an option that says HTML, CSS, JS. Please click on that one. It will generate a random name for your Repl. You can change that to whatever you'd like. I'm going to name mine first. Please then click the Create Repl button. Now, delete everything that you see inside of the index.html file. Once you've deleted everything, click the Run button, and we should see nothing on the right-hand side of the screen in the preview window. Now, type exactly what I'm going to type on line 1 of your index.html file. Left arrow, an H, a 1, a space, the word style, an equal sign, double quotes. It should add the second one afterwards. And then type color, colon, blue, semicolon. Outside of that second double quotation mark, please add a right arrow. Then type my space first space web page, another left arrow, a slash, and at this point it should autocomplete for you. If not, after the slash, type an H character, a 1 character, and a right arrow. If yours looks exactly like mine, we can press the Run button, and on the right hand side of our screen in the preview window, we see the text My First Web Page appear in blue. If we click the Open in a New Tab button on the far right of the preview window, we'll be able to see our very first web page on an entirely new tab. Congratulations, you've made your first web page. It's trash, but it's a web page. One last thing before we start explaining the theory behind the code we just wrote. Please treat all of the coding in this course the same way you would treat learning a musical instrument. You must type out all of the code that we write. Do not copy and paste code into Replit. If a piano teacher or a guitar teacher played a song for you and you watched them, would you be able to play the song? No. You need to practice all of the notes individually and then practice putting them together in the correct order to play the song. Learning to code is going to be the exact same. Instead of learning notes on a guitar or piano, we're learning different rules for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and other technologies. We'll only get better by practicing those rules over and over again. We'll practice them individually and then practice putting them together. Once you understand them after typing them out many times, you can start to get creative in the same way a musician can make up a new song from basic notes. So again, this is your final warning. If you have not typed out the code we just wrote in this lesson, everything on line 1, do it now. Otherwise, this whole course will be wasted time if you don't practice. Okay, next lesson.